See, every NEET aspirant is in your last leap of getting your steth and white coat as a proud doctor. So, here are some atomic habits that you have to do to increase your chance of success. Welcome to my channel, Inspiring Brains. This is Hari, completed physiotherapy, currently doing medicine, and a part-time biology faculty. So, here I share 7 important strategies by which you to become a NEET topper. So, strategy number 1, remove fear. Fear is the biggest enemy. Even high intellectual people fail because of this fear, because fear will mask your mind. So, when you attend a question with fear, the tendency of getting a wrong option is more than getting a right. So, unmask your fear to unleash the success. Strategy number 2, don't anticipate. So if you are so much anticipated, then you have more energy in such a way that you will jump from one to another. So you'll jump from one subject to another question paper. You keep on jumping. So it will take and eats all your time, and it is not at all productive. Stay calm, stay focused. So strategy 3, don't get new books. So in the market there will be many books with many updated patterns, updated questions. But this is not the time to get those books, because every new book will have new formulas, new shortcuts, everything. But when you see this, all the shortcuts and new formulas, your confidence gets destroyed. So don't get new books. Always follow your old notes, the notes which you've taken. Even though it is non-living, so even though if you forget the answers in the exam, those non-living memories, those non-living things will give you memories through which you can get your answers. And at last get a new edition NCERT. That is more than enough to get your marks. So strategy 4, revise. Revision is the key factor. So revising the old things will again give you more marks than studying a new thing. So the last month is mainly for revising the important things, so that the art of getting more marks will be in your hands. So strategy 5, practice. So you have to practice at least 2 to 3 question papers per week. So when you do this, and also you have to review the question paper after you get the answer key. So when you do this, the doubts and the mistakes you done in the exams will be decreased by reviewing all the things. So the important strategy is you have to practice full model question paper at least 2 per week to increase the chance of 5% of getting more marks in the main exam. For the strategy 5, you got an important bonus. Yes, there is an All India mock test series which is hosted by the Unacademy. The questions are curated by the top educators of Unacademy. Here are the 3 important things that you should know about this All India mock test series. First, it is always based on latest NEET UG exam pattern. Always the old pattern will not give you your future success. And at the same time, since you got more questions with the same time, you need to practice to hold the time to increase your marks, which is done only by solving all the questions through the mock test series. Second, you will get a detailed video solution for each and every question at the end of your session, which means you are reviewing the questions in a more productive way, and that will also increase your marks and lessen your wastage of time. Third, you got a All India rank predictor. Sounds good, right? So All India rank predictor helps you to set in which place you are in. So it will also makes you to convince that what are all the portions you have to revise again to get more marks to increase your rank. So all the things is very well curated by the Unacademy. All you can do is just enroll into the test series. And another most important thing is you can enroll this test series for free using my code HARI, H-A-R-I. And even this Unacademy has some iconic subscription where you can get at least 10% of the discount by using my code HARI again. So don't waste your time. As I always tell my students, the important thing is you have to attend more and more question papers, that too in an all India level, to increase the level of success. So go on guys. Strategy 6, meditation. So the greatest success strategy is focus. So when you focus, the tendency of getting success is more. You have to focus on the question, and your eyeball should be focused between the four options. So to increase the focus, at least do a meditation for 2 minutes a day. So the meditation will increase your focus of success. And the final strategy is confidence. Sleepless night, unsolved doubts, unattended function, walking from the relation, friends, everything you done for this moment. You have waited for this moment. So bear some confidence, guys. If you can't clear the entrance, then who else? Go on. And finally, all the best to all of you. So proud to see you as a future doctors.